Jeremiah slept on the front porch of the cabin and was up early fishing. After breakfast, Jeremiah rode into Missoula for some more bike repairs. Off to Missoula.